Hello everyone. In the fast-paced world of small business, using AI smartly means staying ahead. Let's cut through the noise with some quick-fire do's and don'ts for using AI without tripping over. Here are some do's for AI use. Use AI to quickly draft those tiny yet mighty SEO-friendly text. It's your shortcut to getting noticed online. Give everything AI writes a human checkup. A personal touch can make all the difference. Always double check AI produced facts. A little fact checking now saves trouble later. Have clear AI rules for your team. It helps everyone use tech effectively. Now here is what to avoid, the don't of using AI. Keep personal or customer information out of AI's reach. Some things are better kept private. Don't let AI do all your content work. Balance efficiency with human touch in your communication. Treat sensitive topics with care. AI doesn't understand emotions and fine details like we do. So step in with a human perspective. Be upfront about using AI for any content you share. Transparency builds trust. AI is here to boost your business by speeding up tasks and adding efficiency. But remember, it is the human element that truly. These tips will help you strike the right. Your business not only keep pace with the times but shines because of its thoughtful approach to technology. So, are you ready to harness the power of AI? Implement these strategies and let AI be the springboard to your small business growth. When you blend cutting-edge tech with genuine human interaction, the possibilities are endless. Let's get started on this exciting journey with AI as your helpful assistant and your human team leading the way. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more insights.